excited to share this that has been working since 2025. We call it Bittoken. This one is a project, but before we dive into, you have to do KYC. I know I normally bring free legit update, but this one is different. You have to do KYC. The KYC is 2,000 naira. So if you don't know how to do a KYC, you DM me in the comment section. So I'm going to leave the link in the comment section and join my WhatsApp community link in the video description. So I'm not a special advisor, I am just a disclaimer. Make sure you make your research before joining any online update. So guys, this is first. If you click the link and register, before you register, you are going to put your mail, password, then they are going to give you a mathematics question, you solve it. They are going to show you where you press a button, you go directly to Telegram. If you go to the Telegram and click on start, they will send you your profile ID. This ID you are seeing here, they will send it to you. If they send it to you, then you copy it. There is a place you come and paste it. So if you don't know how to register on this Bittoken, you just let me know in the comment section. I'm going to make another video tutorial on how you can register on the Bittoken. Yes. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video for your friends. If you take this update seriously, you are going to end this. If you click on this profile, you see, then you can add your if it take you to your Telegram, it's going to add your Telegram username automatically. You see, this is my Telegram username, legit update 2027. So if you have Twitter, you can add your Twitter username. And this is where you add your TikTok username and your Facebook username. You can add all of them. Then you can add next of kin. If you come on this edit, for example, you see full name, phone number, email, then save. If you want to change the next of kin that you have put, so you can do it like that. So if you come on this edit, this way you put everything together. You see Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, then this is your Bittoken Telegram bot chat ID. So this one, they are going to give you your own, but this one is my own, so they are going to give you your own. They say make sure all are accurate and active. If you haven't yet started a chat with the Telegram bot, do so now to automatically link your chat ID. Avoid using text or placeholder data to ensure proper functionality of bot integrity and communication. So you see, if you save everything, if you put everything together, then you can click on save. So you see, you can add your profile picture here. So if you come on this team, this is where you see your referral, like people refer. There's one thing about this update. If you register a friend, you just earn a commission once. There's no need of earning commissions. You see my invitation code. So if you click there, you can get your own invitation code. So if you refer a friend, they should make sure they are mining this Bittoken with their chest. This is what you are going to do. Share it to your friends and make sure they are mining on it. Okay, so there's one thing I supposed to say at the end of this video. Before this video end, I am going to give you and show you a secret way that you can call 24 hours to come and claim it. But if you register, you come after 1 hour. But I'm going to show you a secret tips that you do. You can come back after every 24 hours to do it. So if you come on this end, this way they are giving tax is they say earn reward. They are giving tax there. Okay, you see, earn reward point by completing this simple task. If you click on all, this is where you will be seeing, you see this one I've did them that, but if you want to choose them one by one, you can come on this social. If you come on this social, this is where you will see their app, so you can download the app. You're seeing it here. Just make sure you download the app on your app store or Apple store, then you start using the app. If you click on this view, is for if they want you to view any, these ones are for YouTube, you can view. So this one is like and comment. If they give you any task that you are supposed to like a video and comment, then you will see it here. This one is follow and subscribe join. If they give you any task that you are to follow or subscribe or join, if you come here, will earn RP per ad, 1000 RP. So if you click on this, you are going to watch ads. They give 20 ads every day. So if you calculate that, 20 ads is equivalent to 20 RT. That's for every day. It has finished. You click on this times button. So you see they are going to give you the 1000 points. So this is what you want to do. Don't click on this one. Just click on this claim first. If you click on this claim first, it will just claim all with this one. Yeah, so it has been claimed. So this is what, that's how you are going to do for complete 20 tasks to earn and increase your earning daily. You can do it each time you are available and you are not doing any work. So click on this wallet. If you come on this wallet, okay, you see here, this is my balance of RP balance, USDT balance, Bittoken, BTT. You can deposit. The commission of each earnings you earn will be here. Withdrawal, transfer, P2P. So this is what you are going to do. You see data internet bonus. You see this tech is where you do your Bittoken KYC. You see incomplete. If you click on it like this, they say pay 1 USDT for KYC. First processing 24 to 48 hours. Secure holding bank rate. So that's how it is. So guys, if you don't know how to do your KYC, just make sure you let me know in the comment section. Only 2000 will do your BTT is equivalent to 0.5 cent when listing. You see now I have 8.33 BTT. So if you calculate this 8.33 BTT is equivalent to how many USDT. So that's how it is. So make sure you share it to your friends. As I said earlier, don't forget, any friend you share it to, make sure you tell him to be doing tax. So it's now time we're going. I will show you a secret tips on how you can claim your BTC after 24 hours. So don't forget, share it to your friends. So if you come on this mining we are seeing here, if you come on it, this is where you see your mining, how it is mining. So to sell your BTT, they always leave it available every 16th of month. Every month on 16th, they only leave it available. So you can sell it to P2P. Once you convert it, every 16th of month. This one is not like airdrop where you will say you wait till the airdrop listed. No, every month on 16th. is free. But if that 16 pass, you wait till next month. So you see next mining reward in 4 hour 20 minutes. So you can see here every hour you have 60 RIP, 50 RP, sorry, 30 RP per hour. So if you come on this boost, click on this boost. So this is where the magic is. You are going to watch ads. They'll give 11 ads per day. So in that 11 ads, every ad has up to 2 hour or 1 hour and a half. So if you calculate that time, if you watch the complete 11 ads, you can come back every 24 hours to claim it. You see, watch ads to increase your claim interval. You can watch 4 more ads. So now this one we are seeing 4 is 11. So I watch it, remaining 4 for me to watch. So now this is how it is. Click on this watch ads. Sometimes it will tell you that there is no ad available. You can just click OK and go back again for watching the ads. So you see the ad is done because I posted the video. Now click on this cancel button. So you see the hour has increased to 6 hours, right? So this is how it is. You see before it is 4 hours. So you see 5, 6, that's 2 hours. So this is how it is. If you do this, guys, you will earn better in this Bittoken. And I show you that this Bittoken is a legit update and legitimate. And also some of you will not register because they say you have to do KYC for 2000. Yes, let me tell you that this is how I was able to deceive myself from the first time. I was supposed to do this KYC and start this mining since 2025. So I started saying, I don't have 2000. No, it's not that I don't have it. I have it, but I was saying that I don't want to do this in the name of 2000, this and that. So before you notice it, people are cashing out on it. So my mind come and say, this thing will not pass me, or I need to do it. I don't know how tomorrow will be. So guys, make sure you do it with your full mindset. Yes, that's how it is, and that's the truth. If you're interested, you do it. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. I will reply you. Or if you don't know how to do your KYC, like I said it, if you don't know how to deposit to do the KYC, let me know in the comment section. I will do it for you. Don't forget, I'm not the one that will eat the money for the KYC. Before you start saying legit updates say we should pay him for the KYC, don't forget, the link will be in the comment section. Join my WhatsApp community link in the video description. I remain your one and only legit update. Like this video, share it to your friends, and tell your referrals to keep earning on it, and share the video for them. If you refer any friend that don't know how it works, share this video for the person, so that the person will watch it and know how to do it perfectly. Okay, so guys, I leave you in peace. Thank you.